And let me, so this is how you can create the tables. This is how you can insert the data. Okay. uh, okay, this is different thing now. This is how you can insert the data. And this is how, please someone, Prasad, you are doing something on my screen. Okay, if possible cancel it, otherwise I have to check it. Delete, clear all drawings. Okay, done. Okay, fine. And let me close it. Yes guys, now are we good? How to create the table, how to insert the records inside the table, how to, what we can, using GUI, using query. It will wait for 5 attempts guys. Okay, until 5 attempts, if the connection is not reclaimed, so it will be closed, your RDP will be closed. Sometimes while working in the organization also you can see this kind of disconnections. Okay, so in 3 attempts itself it was reconnected again, so no issues. Okay, after 5 attempts, if it is unable to reconnect, it will be closed automatically. Again, you have to connect to the server remotely, guys, by using your username and password. Guys, are we good now in creating the tables, inserting the records, and reading the
Yes,
tables,
sir.
retrieving the tables? Are we good now? So finally, we'll discuss one thing: how to filter the data. Filtering means what, guys? Filtering means what?
Sorting.
Sorting, sorting, filtering, both are same.
So selecting.
Selecting. Okay.
Selected names only.
Okay, let's go with the browser. Let's go with the red bus for any requirement. Okay, for any requirement. For example, you are doing a, okay, you want to go to some different location. Okay, so I just want to go from my Bangalore to Bangalore location to, okay, BNG Bangalore. Hey, mm, Bangalore to, okay. I want to go to Hyderabad, right? So date would be 3rd Sunday. Let's search the buses, guys. This is an application. Okay, so now you want to filter it. Okay, bus type sleeper. Now how many buses you got, guys? How many results you got? 8 buses you found, right? Let's go with only sleeper. Of course you got only sleeper, 8 buses. Okay, AC you want. Okay, you can select like this. Or else you want a specific timing, guys. Okay, 6 to 8. Did these filters already applied or what? I don't know. So you'll get lot of buses. I'm not getting these things. Okay, we have a lot of buses. Huh? Okay.
Select after 6 p.m. There are 5 buses only.
Let me go with uh, let me go with ratings. Live tracking. No. Okay. Right. I just clicked on live tracking, guys. In 8 buses, out of 4 buses, only is out of 8 buses, only 4 buses having live tracking. You can see these results. Means you are filtering the data. Okay, before 6 a.m. I want to check the buses before 6 a.m. What are the buses that are starting before 6 a.m.? Means earlier when you open the buses from Bangalore to Hyderabad, you got 8 records. When you just clicked on live tracking, you got 4 records. When you clicked on the buses starting before 6 a.m., you got 1 record. Means these records are deleting in the backend, guys, or just filtering? While
No.
we use it to buy the clothes, dresses in the Mintra or Azio. We use it to select the size, okay, XL, double XL, triple XL, okay, or medium, small. We use it to select the sizes. We use it to select the colors. Okay, we use it to select the styles. We use it to select the ratings. Means that is called filtering, guys. Out of these many records, I want a specific records. I want all the hotels that are having more than four rating in the Zomato. Okay, so that means out of all 1,000 hotels, imagine 1,000 hotels are there. If 100 hotels are there more than four rating, you can see only 100 hotels. That means all other 900s are not deleting. It's just filtering. Means searching the data. Filtering means searching the data, guys. So how it is doing? Let me show you. This is you are doing using application, right? In the back end, what will happen, I will show you in our SQL server. Okay, so what kind of queries will run? Okay, I'll show you guys. Now we want to filter this data. Okay, in this, out of these 8 products, I want to filter the products more than 200 rupees, guys. I want to retrieve the data of the products. The cost should be more than 200. I want to retrieve it. So retrieve means what query, guys? I have to use which query?
Select query.
Select query only. Retrieve means read operation. Read operations can be done using select query only. I want all the records. All means star, guys.
Star.
Here also, if you see, star means all the columns. Actually, the meaning of star is all the columns. All the columns you will get. Okay, okay, chalo. I'll get all. I want all the columns. From which table? From sales table. Okay, very good, nice. From sales table, you want to pull the data. Okay, that's fine. It was reconnecting.
Cost is group.
Okay, done. Okay, so I want to read it from sales table, right? Sales table. Now you want to filter it. Where? Using where condition. Okay, where? What is my condition, guys? I want products of the cost more than 200, right? So which column I am filtering? Cost column. Cost
Cost
more than means greater than
greater than equal to.
or equal to, okay, 200 rupees. That's it, guys. Now total how many records are there? 8 records. Out of these 8 records, how many of them are more than 800 200? This is more than 200, this is more than 200, 200, 200,
5.
200, almost all. After this is only
Only 60 rupees.
below 200, right? Means 7 records you have to get
7
it. Maggie,
records.
you don't get it, guys. Now see how many records you got. Total 7 records. You didn't get Maggie. You want to go with a 500 this time. Okay, now search it. How many records you got this time? 3 records only. Means whenever you are selecting any option here, guys, okay, it is running a where condition. Okay, select star from buses where a live tracking is on, then only you are getting that 4 buses. Select star from buses where live tracking is on and starting before 6 a.m. So these kind of where conditions will run in the backend, guys. Then only you are going to get this information. This is called filtering or searching the data. So how can we do that, guys? Filtering and searching. What condition you have to use?
Where condition.
Where
Very
condition.
condition.
Where condition. Using where condition, you can filter the data or search the data. I want to get okay, the records of the cost which is exactly equal to 500 rupees. Cost is equal to 500. You will get only one record. Now tell me, guys. I want a query, select query. Okay, I want to pull uh, what we have, ATA. I want to pull ATA record, guys. I want to pull ATA record. I don't know the cost of the ATA. I just want to pull ATA record. Now tell me the where condition. Select star from
Start from
sales. This is
sales.
common. Next where?
A product equal
Very good. Very good.
Name
I
is
have to
equal
give the column name. Where product name.
is
Okay, you will
equal
get
to
the
what?
suggestions. Use down arrow to select the suggestions. Is equal to,
product name. Atta.
as
Atta.
ATA is a character, you have to keep it in a string. Okay, single quotes. You have to give
Single
like
quote.
this. Then run it, guys. You will get ATA record only. Are we good, guys? So like this, you
Yes.
can filter any type of data. I don't know ATA or BATA. I don't know. I want the product number which is starting with 125. Now tell me the condition, guys.
Bill
Select
number is
star
equal.
from
Select star from
sales
Select
where
star
bill
from
number is
sales.
equal to
where bill number
bill
equal
Select
to
number.
1.
star from sales
Where bill number like
where
bill
bill number
number
Bill number
is equal to 125. Okay, that's it, guys. 125 bill number is biscuits. Okay, so this is how you can pull the data. Now tell me, guys, I want to pull, I have three records, right? See, out of the whole line, you want to execute a specific part, select the specific part, and you can execute it, guys. You will get all the records. Why? Because whatever is highlighting, that part only will execute, as discussed earlier. Okay, so don't think like it will try to execute the whole line. No, if you execute now, it will execute the whole line. Okay, all text. You can see one record, but I want in this whole line, I want to execute this part only. Highlight it and execute. You will get all the records. Means select star from sales is executing now. Done. Now, guys, I have three columns. I want information of two columns, guys. Product name and cost. How to do that?
Select product name, comma,
Select
cost
star from cells.
Select star
from
from sales.
sales.
Where
No.
Where columns is equal to
Product.
product name, comma, cost.
Select product name.
Guys,
So
Select
select
product
product
for
name, comma,
from
cost,
yes,
star
okay.
from sales. Sorry.
Listen, guys, okay. For records, you have to use where condition. For records, record means you know, right? Horizontal entity. Okay. For records, you have to use where condition. For columns, you don't need to use where condition. If you want to filter the columns, no need to use where condition. Simply you have to provide the column name. Star means what, guys?
All.
All columns, right? I don't want all columns. I want only two columns. Tell me what columns you want. Select.
Select bill number
Product
Very
product
good. Bill
name,
number,
comma, cost.
and cost.
comma, cost.
Cost
Okay. Select bill
from
number, comma, cost. From which table? Sales
cells.
table.
Sales.
That's it, guys. Bill number is correct. Okay, correct. Okay. Done. You can see only these two columns. Select only bill number from sales or select only cost from sales. I want to see all the product costs. You can mention only that particular column name. So if you want to filter the columns, you have to give the column names. If you want all the columns, you have to use the star. If you want to filter the rows, you have to use the where condition, guys. That's it. That is all about today's discussion. Any issues, any doubts, any challenges, please mute it. Please mute it.
No, sir.
Are we good,
Sir,
guys?
for
Everyone?
rows,
For rows, we
sir, for
use where
rows,
condition.
you given from sales starting, and
Correct.
for columns, you given from sales last. Is there any difference, sir?
No, sir. For rows where I gave sales starting. No. See here,
From
see
sales.
here
Yes.
from sales. This is common. This is common. Okay.
Okay.
You have for
Okay.
rows, you have to include where condition after sales. See, guys, there is this is called syntax.
Okay.
Whatever in which way you want to write, it won't accept. This is the way you have to write. Sir, I'll give the where condition first. It won't accept.
Ah,
This is how Microsoft designed their syntax. Okay, you have to give where condition after say a table name only.
okay.
Here I am not giving before. I am simply giving column name. That's it. I want only that column. I am giving column name. Instead of star, star means all columns. I want a specific
Okay.
column. I'm giving that specific column. Until then, both are same, right? This and this is same. Do you feel any difference? Here you can see star, which will pull all the columns. Here you are
If
mentioning the
if we
column name.
write select from sales cost, can we execute it?
No, that's not
No.
possible. That's not the syntax of the pulling the columns. For pulling the columns, this
Okay.
is how you have to write the syntax. This is how it will
Okay.
accept.
For columns, we have to write table name last.
That's it. See, for example, you want to see your weight, body weight. What is the process to see your body weight?
Okay.
You have to stand on the weighing machine. That is the
Yes.
process. You cannot keep your weighing machine on your head, right?
Yes.
If you keep weighing machine on your head, it won't show you the weight. You have to
No, sir.
keep the weighing machine down and you have to stand up on the weighing machine. You can see the weight. That is the process. In this way, this is the
Okay, sir.
process of pulling the records.
Okay, sir.
Okay, guys, any issues, any doubts? If no doubts, that's it for today. A lot of things are loaded, right? So for tomorrow, there is an assignment. Whether you are doing or not doing, it's my responsibility to give the assignment, guys. Create a tables. Okay. Create 3 tables with any name with 4 columns. Okay. Create 3 tables with 4 columns. Create each table in each database. Okay, create each table in different database, guys. Tomorrow very good. Okay, tomorrow there is no class. We'll meet again on Monday. Okay, tomorrow there is no class. This assignment is for Monday. Okay, create each table in different database. Okay, next. Okay, filter the rows and columns. If you are completed anything, table names can be anything. Okay, either you want to go with bikes or you want to go with cars. Select cost from where cost is equal to 300. How it will work, Pradeep? If you have that doubt, uh, create a table and execute that statement and tell me what is the output you are getting. Okay. Okay, so yes, filter the rows and columns, guys. Apply any conditions that you need. Apply any conditions. Okay, so for example, I want to create a heroes, Tollywood heroes, Bollywood heroes, Sandalwood heroes. Okay, so from that, filter the Tollywood heroes. Create employee tables from different countries. Filter the employees from depends upon the based on the country, or filter the records, employee records based on the salary. Okay, anything. If you are completed the assignment, take a screenshot, send it to my WhatsApp. Those who will send first, they will get the reward points. Okay, chalo guys, that's it for today. Any questions you can ask me. Otherwise, wrapping up for today. We'll meet again on Monday 7 a.m.
Worker and worker two are both are same or they are difference?
Slight difference is there, sir. Okay, I am not sure about these data types. Why? Because we are DBS, right? We never used varchar 2. Developers can help you on that. Fine. Any questions? Any doubts? Okay, that's it for today, guys. We'll meet Monday. Again, we'll meet on Monday at 7 a.m. Okay, thank you all. Bye.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. And happy Ugadi, guys. Happy Ugadi to all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.